In this video, we're going to go over Google Calendar and creating appointments. Let's say you want to create a range of appointments for parent-teacher conferences or something like that. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and go to the waffle and open up Google Calendar. And let's say we're going to do next Monday. Let me get rid of a couple things here. Let's try that again. All right, so I got my Google Calendar up here. Let's say I want to have a block of time on Monday and Tuesday from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. And so I can drag out that time block, and I want to click appointment slots, and I'll just do test appointments. All right, so we got test appointments from 2 to 8 p.m. and I want my duration for each appointment to be 30 minutes. You can change that to pretty much anything you want. And if I click on more options, since I want it to run on Monday and Tuesday, I'm going to do custom repeat here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Tuesday, and I'm going to end it on that Tuesday. So I need to go back here to Tuesday the 13th. So it's only going to repeat twice, Monday and Tuesday, and Tuesday will be the last time. And I'll go ahead and click save. So that'll create these two blocks of time where people can make appointments or schedule appointments, and each appointment is 30 minutes long. One quick note about these blocks of time: if I delete this and I delete all events, that'll delete both of those blocks because they are linked together since I did the repeating option. If I would have created those differently or just one at a time, then those wouldn't have been linked together. So just a quick note on that. So I'm just going to repeat that process real quick. Okay. I'll hit save, and let's say on Wednesday I'm just going to do one block of time from 4 to 7. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did earlier, 30 minutes. There's really nothing else to add except for the title. Okay. So now what I want to do is, if I click on this, it'll give me a link to go to an appointment page for this calendar. So this is the link that you will send out to the parents or whoever you want to schedule appointments with. This is the link you'll use. So I'm going to right click, hit copy link address, and I'm also just going to click on it so you can see. So this is this week, so I want to click on this arrow here to go to next week, and this is the time block that I created, and these are the 30-minute increments. So if I hover over these, it'll tell me what the each time slot is. Okay, so what I want to do is send an email. I'm going to send an email to a test account and paste in that link that we copied in. And we'll wait here for a minute. Okay, the email showed up, so let's go ahead and open this calendar. Okay, so here's the link that I sent to the test account. So let's go to the week that the appointment blocks have been scheduled for. So now this is what the end user sees. So this is what the parents or whoever is scheduling the appointments, what they will see. So let's say this person wants to schedule 5 to 5:30 p.m. So they click on that. They can type in stuff here if they need to, or just click save. That'll book the appointment. And if they go back to their email, they'll receive an invitation for that appointment. And then whoever's scheduling the appointments over here will receive an invitation for that appointment as well. And then if you go to the calendar, you'll see this scheduled appointment right here. So if you're going to do the appointments by Google Meet, in the first video I made, I walked you through how to manually create Google Meet meetings for each appointment. However, since I created the first video, which we made a change in the admin side to where Google Meet meetings are created automatically. So when a user clicks on an appointment slot here and clicks save, that automatically creates a Google Meet. So in their invitation email, this Google Meet will already be created. Before, you would have had to go into the meeting on this side and manually create the Google Meet link. So that is automated now, so you don't have to manually go into every single appointment slot and manually create the Google Meets for each slot. One other quick note, it's probably best when you send out the link to all the parents or whoever you're sending them to, just to let them know whenever they select a time slot, they should probably type in their name into this area of the appointment. So I'll just type in Mulvane Hosting because that's the test account I'm using. So if they type in, John Doe or whatever their name is, then, or the student's name, or some way that you can easily differentiate each appointment. So just have them type their name in here and it'll be easier to keep all your appointments straight.